Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Nginwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Watla ka jingdon jong kibreu ki biabit thama ya ka jingpang COVID-19 kalas dang ban hiar suki pasuki hanrai na ka liang jong ka sarkar jilla kandang hap ban paithu shwa bat kandang hap ban shong bishar sani bha bin pa bin hashwa ban wengno ya ka jingkhang dam hapo ka East Khasi Hills District baro ka way habaya kren bat kilat pathai khubor uba al hek ulo ongru baka sarkar kan sanang paithu bha hakidi gisngi ki bandangwan namar bayamenta ka sarkar kan nampat slan satia ban penjensur ya ka jingkhang dam yo kala ban bo jingma penban ya ka jing em jong ki pai ba.
The new cases 467, the new recoveries today 760, and the new deaths today is 40 or 40. Coming down or it is flattening for the last 2 days only. It is too early to take two conclusions. We have to see first the situation, the COVID situation. Now in 2 days you are seeing the declining. That is not the conclusions. First we have to observe. Let's see first for the whole week, for this week. Then only we'll take a call on the review meeting. But to say now to relax the lockdown or to allow people to go movement and all, that's too early now. The situation is not conducive at present. My idea is to invest somewhere permanent structure, but that's also is not going in vain. It will be benefit for the people only. So whatever the government are doing now or doing in future also, we are completely, it's relating to the public interest. What they have proposed there in that ground, pasture ground, maybe there, I don't know. But that's details, I think because they are doing from the same secretariat.
Anything it is a wasteful expenditure.
No, I'm telling you, anything which is emergency required now. This is emergency. This is the time of pandemic. Nothing it is going to be waste. It's not a wasteful expenditure. It will be used for the benefit, the treatment for the people who are infected with virus.
Then go for a concrete structure.
I had suggested that one. So in the meeting, there are so many minds. So they have taken the collective minds only. But I am not opposed. You don't say that I there in the meeting have opposed for the prefab structure. Not yet opposed. I am only suggesting if with this same amount, if we can strengthen permanent infrastructure in any of the healthcare center, it will be benefit permanently. That is my personal argument. That's why we coordinate with the health department in the review meeting. We are there, everybody taking decision in the review meeting every day. So we are coordinating every day. Not that the CM secretary are doing their own way, health department doing their own way, the other department are doing their own way. It's not like that. We have same responsibility to do our duty.